In doing site surveys, installs, or even maintenance, there are dozens of data points that need to be collected to complete that project. In order to make sure that nothing gets missed, Scnanifly is proud to introduce checklists. Checklists allow our users to create their own forms right on Scnanifly's desktop app. Here we can create checklists by adding fields such as text, drop-down fields, radio, date and time, and of course, media for documentation of the site. You can mark fields as required for data points needed for every project, and create sections of your forms that are optional, since every site has different scopes and requirements. While your team is out in the field, they'll be able to easily record information about the project, take pictures on site of electrical and structural information, and even annotate using our solar-specific stickers to make labeling things like rafter size or existing and planned electrical equipment a breeze. Reduce your software stack and check out Scnanifly's all-in-one solution for solar site surveys.